Okay, we've reached the pyjama section, best section in Primark, so excited. These are the jeans I was talking about. I've seen these on, these ones are more similar to the long House of CB one I've got, with really fluffy jackets, and I just always want one. The holy grail of Primark. This is definitely hands down my fave section in Primark. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing one of our absolute fave videos. We are doing a shop with me in Primark. This is actually my first shop with me since lockdown, and I'm just so excited to share with you everything that was new in Primark. This is actually me from the future because I did actually forget to do the intro because I was just too excited to get there, but little sneak preview. It was very successful and Primark had so much good stuff in, so I'm so excited to do this video. Take you around Primark, show you all the new autumnal vibes they've got going on, and there will also be a Primark haul coming up in the next video, so I'd absolutely love if you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe. And let's just fast forward to me walking into Primark, seeing the autumnal setup and just getting way too excited. So let's fast forward to that and I hope you enjoy the video. So a little outfit check, got this jumper on and shorts from Boohoo, little Zara bag, and this is also from Boohoo, all matchy. Then we've got this really nice coat straight away, which is £25, which is very nice. Then we've got some jumpers. I really like this jumper, it has like a little hole in it, they have it in black as well. This is £13, not bad. This bag is really nice as well. This is like super on trend at the minute, I feel like everyone has these bags. This is £10, it's actually huge, look how big it is compared to my hand. This is a really nice one, nice and neutral. And then I've also seen this scarf, which is so nice. How much is that? £6, that's such good autumnal vibes. These are so nice, like with a little black crop top or white bodysuit, that would be so nice, and they're £13. Hopefully they've got us my size. So we've got a little tracksuit section, love that. So classic black hoodie, feel like you just can't go wrong. Black cycling shorts, black joggers, something like that. They've got some other joggers. These are kind of like a washed out autumnal colour, which are actually quite nice. They've got this little detail on the bottom there as well. We've got these joggers as well, which are kind of like quilted. I can't decide if I like these or not, but I've seen a really similar pair in Topshop for like £30. So if you do like these, then they're cheaper in Primark. Got a big sweatshirt here, kind of similar to my pink one today. I feel like that's just easy to throw on. And they've also got a white hoodie, just a little classic. They've got loads of different hoodies, to be fair. Oh, that is so nice. I feel like they have these every year, these like really fluffy jackets, and I just always want one. You know what, I actually might get this today because it's so soft. How much is that? 25, not too bad. But that's quite classic for a Primark coat. We've also got this fluffy bucket hat, which I feel like is just a vibe. I might have to get that for my autumny Insta pics because it's just so cute. I'll try that on for you, hold on. That is quite cute, I do like that. I think this is going straight in the basket. Don't know if I can pull it off, but it's quite cute. This is something that I've actually never seen anything like before. It's like a jumper, but then it has a zip down it. I can't decide if I like it or not. I feel like I'm not going to get it now, but just let me know in the comments below if you like that, because I can't decide. So they've also got these longer cardigans with ties around here, which I think are a bit nicer. These ones are more similar to the long House of CB one I've got, which is a bit nicer, I think. And they've also got it in grey as well. So we've also got this jumper, which is really cute. It's like a little fluffy one, it's quite different. And then the sleeves are like puff sleeves, I feel like it would make it a bit more dressy. That's £13, I might pick that up because it's really nice. Okay, bringing you some autumn vibes here. We've got these jumpers which have a hood on. They have like a little tie, so they've got pink, they've got white, they've got grey, and they've also got black. Like, it's so soft, this material. Really like these. Okay, cutest co-order award. So they've got these little like woolen joggers which are £13, and then they've also got this little matching top, which is like this little black knitted top. I'm definitely going to get that as a little co-ord. And then they've also got the little woolly top in kind of like a stone colour, which is so nice. I think I'm going to pick up both of those because they are so pretty and so on trend right now, which is so good for Primark. We've also got this little leather jacket. I feel like you can't go wrong with a leather jacket in autumn time. It feels really nice as well. So we're now in the jeans section, and I'm looking for the dad jeans with like a little split on the side. I'll put a picture on screen of what I'm thinking of. We're just going to have a hunt and see if we can find them. I couldn't actually find them last time I was in here, so we'll see if we succeed today. Don't know if we will. So these are the jeans I was talking about. I've seen these on Abby Dallywell and then also on Amy Menzies, and they look so cute. So they're like this, and then they have the split up the side here, and if you can see, and they're like a super big trend at the minute. But the only thing is, I can never get size 8 like over my actual hips or bum, so I feel like 8 isn't gonna fit me. I'm looking for a 10, but I don't think they've got a 10, which is so sad. They've got like size 8 or size 20. Okay, we've reached the pyjama section, best section in Primark, so excited. So this is what we're looking at. This is what I picked up last time, this Looney Tunes top, and I'm obsessed with these Disney tops. They have loads of different ones. They have Friends, they have this Walt Disney one, which is really cute. They have so many Disney pyjamas, it's unreal, like loving that. I'm gonna see what else they've actually got. We're just browsing. Oh, these are some of my favourites as well. These sleep tops, I've actually got this one. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably would have seen that in a haul. But they've got loads of different ones. They've got ones with hearts on. I might pick up a new one for back to uni. I think this says Daydream on it, which is really cute. The grey one's quite nice. They've got these little slipper socks. These are so cute. I feel like these are just perfect just to slip on, nice and cosy. They've got grey, they've got white, they've got pink. They've got black little fluffy socks. Anybody who hasn't tried the fluffy socks from Primark, what are you actually doing with your life? Like, where have you actually been all your life? Then we've got a little long set. Oh, that's actually really cute. Oh, that's so soft, isn't it? Look at your nails compared to mine. This is just like a me versus you moment. Loving those. Should I get those?
£12.
They're quite cute because they've got little joggers with the tight bottoms as well.
Yeah.
Might pick up those, might not. They've also got them in pink and also this like stony colour, which I feel like this. Oh, I kind of like these, you know. I might pick up this one, like a nice little neutral colour. I just love the Primark pyjama section, having the best time. So they've got this little dressing gown, super fluffy. I've got like a lilac fluffy one, that's quite cute. It's matching my vibes today. We've got another little grey fluffy one, which is quite cute. Oh, it's got a little paw on it, so cute. Oh, this is nice, like a nice neutral one. Oh, you know, I might get that. Oh, that's a bit of me. I'm trying to get all my clothes to match my room, if you haven't actually noticed the vibe going on here. But that's what I'm going for. I've seen Aisha and Zelia get some really nice slippers, so I'm going to have a hunt and see if I can find them. Oh my god, the first hint of Christmas. Is anybody else as excited as me? Is it bad of me to get these and wear them now? It's actually less than 100 days till Christmas, fun fact for everyone. Oh my god, reindeer slippers. Hello, love that. Look how luxurious these socks look like for a gift. They're just a little bit of a improvement from the classic fluffy socks. These are really nice. I might pick up a pair of these to wear around my uni house, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of those. They're so soft and cozy. They've got them in grey and white, pink and white. They've also got these other kind of fluffy vibe ones. Oh, look at these. They're grey with like a fluffy rim around them. And we've got the classic cozy one. These are my favourite. I prefer the cozy ones to the fluffy ones. Fun fact for everyone there. But I think today we're gonna go with these. These boots are quite cute. I've seen them in brown and also in black as well. And they've got loads of tie-up ones as well. They've got these kind of ones here, sort of like Doc Martens style. I'm not sure if any of them are for me. I don't know. Can't decide if I love any of them or not. But this is the selection they've actually got going on. These ones are quite cute. They're just all a bit high for me, to be honest. I feel like I can't hack any of these. Classic Primark pants section. Can anybody come in without coming here? I don't think so. This is the section we all know and love, the £1. Keep seeing people pick these up in Primark hauls and they look really comfy, you know, just to wear them on the house. I've seen people get sets without the pants in the bottom, so we're just looking. Oh, here they are. Yeah, look how comfy these look. Little top and bottoms.
These are like your ones.
Yeah, those are really nice. They're like Skims kind of vibes. Just entering into the accessory section, I've already seen some nice scarves. I feel like scarves are such a vibe at winter time, like autumn times. They've got that one that I showed you earlier. They've got black. They've got a lot of neutral colours. Oh, gold jewellery. Let's have a look. I always like to look out on the gold jewellery because I feel like it looks really nice in like fashion pictures. So I'm just having a little browse, see if I can see anything.
This one.
Oh, that's nice. I might get that actually. Yeah, I'm going to get that. I think that would look really nice with jumpers and stuff, do you? This is kind of cool, but I wouldn't like it in that colour. But I like this style of bag with the like, this kind of strap. If anybody saw Jordan Lipscomb's Mykonos vlog, she had a bag like this. It was really cool. I'm liking these. This is the only new bag that I've actually seen since the last time I came in, and this, they've got it in blue as well. Actually, I've been corrected. I really like this bag. That's really cute. Do you like this? Yeah. It's kind of similar to another one I've got from Primark, but I really love when they have the bags with the kind of silver detail. Should I get that? Yeah. In she goes. Heading up the home section. Always have the pie hopes home section. I don't know if you can actually hear me, but I'm looking for like some cushions for uni, some throws. That's the vibe I'm thinking of. We've arrived in the home section. The holy grail of Primark. This is definitely hands down my favourite section in Primark. Okay, straight away I'm seeing candles. We've got this. Madagascar Vanilla is one of my favourite Primark scents. I usually get this little mini one. Around here I've got just room sachets, more candles. Clean cotton is what I've gone for this year in my uni room. Got more clean cotton over here. We've got this little lantern candle, which is cute. Little tea lights. Oh, what flavour is this? This is nice. Dark cherry. I feel like I won't like the smell of that, but it looks nice. Okay, I love the baskets in here. So we've got a lot of basket selection. We've got little storage baskets down there. We've got loads of different frames, which always go good with a bedroom. I don't know if I to pick up one of these. These are really cute. Gold details. We've got metal straws. We love metal straws at the minute. We're a bit obsessed. These ones are £2.50. Might pick up these just for back to uni. We've got the Minky dupes, just the classics. They always have these in Primark, which I'm a big fan of. The large fluffy throws, it's matching my outfit today. What else? I'm looking for neutral vibes, that's what we're kind of hoping for. They've got this nice little chenille throw. So that is everything that was new in Primark. I actually have got like over £100 worth of stuff I bought in this shop with me. I've tried to include a lot of things in the haul as well that weren't actually in this new in. So if you want to see everything I picked up, then I would absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, because we are going to be having a huge Primark haul with everything I picked up today coming in the next video. Look at me bringing 2 Primark videos in a row after not doing one for ages. Can't believe it, so excited. If you made it all the way to the end of the video anyway, I feel like we're just meant to be. I feel like you're just meant to be part of this little family, so I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be a huge Primark haul. So excited.